out. Visit the circus. Take a break from the surface in our twisted